Meet the jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas. This big cat is an apex predator, ruling the rainforests. Jaguars are powerful swimmers, often hunting for fish, turtles and caimans in water. With a top speed of 50 miles per hour, they can outrun most animals. But it's not all about brawn. Jaguars are intelligent and adaptable. Their unique coat pattern is not just beautiful, it provides perfect camouflage. Interestingly, not all jaguars are spotted, some are black. Finally, the name jaguar comes from the Native American word jaguar, which means, he who kills with one leap.